Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a membership website using WordPress. So let's just begin. So to create the membership website, as we know that we need to have the registration form, login form, alright. So we can create the registration form or the login form, but there is a plugin that can help us with this process because in that plugin we already have the registration and the login form. Okay, so first of all, let's just click on the plugin and click on the add new. And here I will simply search for Ultimate Member plugin. Alright, so as you can see here at the top of the search, we have the Ultimate Member. So in the Ultimate Member, we have the user profile, registration, login, member directory, content restriction, and the membership plugin. Alright, so I have already installed this. So all I need to do is to update this now. And now I have to go inside the install plugin and I have to activate the Ultimate Member. So as you can see the Ultimate Member here, with the help of this plugin, we can create the powerful online communities and beautiful user profiles with the WordPress. Okay, so right now just click on activate and you will be able to see the Ultimate Member in the sidebar. So let's click on the Ultimate Member here. Alright, so as you can see here that in the dashboard, we really don't have a lot here. We only have the users overview. So now what I will do, I'll simply go inside the forms. And in the form, as you can see that we have the default registration form and we have the default login, we have default profile here. Or so if you want to use this default form, you can simply do it. But if you want to create your own membership form, you can also do it. Now just click on the add new. Alright, so now you can see this. So first of all, we can write down the title for the registration form. So let's just write down registration form here. So what should be the type of the form? So here, as you can see that we have the three different options. The first one is the registration form. The second one is the profile form and the last one is the login. So obviously for the membership form, we would have the registration form. So I will simply select the registration that is already selected. And after that, you can see this, we have the form builder. Okay, so in the form builder, as you can see this, we have a single column structure. We have the two column structure and we also have three column structure. But right now, I'll just simply go with the single column structure here. Okay, so after that, what I need to do, I'll simply click on the add field. Alright, so as you can see here in the fields manager, we have a lot of different fields here. We have the text box, we have the telephone, we have the number, text area drop down, and multi-select. So from here, I would actually go with the username first. So let's click here. Okay, so let's click again. And from here, I'll simply click on the password. And I also have to add the email here. Alright, so let's click on the email address. Now what I need to do that I actually have to the country, and I also want to add mobile number, and after that you can simply add the payment method. But right now I just simply want to go with the free membership. So that is how we can add the fields here. But if you want to edit them, you can simply click on the edit here, and from here you can simply edit the title, label, and we have the meta key, we have the placeholder, help text, privacy, default value, validate, and minimum length of the field and the maximum length of the field. And we also have the visibility. So if I just click here, you can see that we have the three different options here in the visibility. The first one is view everywhere, second one is the edit mode only, and the last one is the view mode only. All right, and in the last, we can make this field a required field if you want to. So if you want to make this field required, you can simply check this. And if you want the user to edit the field, you simply check this as well, and you can also add the icon if you want to. And in the last, you can also manage the conditional field support here. So let's click on the update, and in the similar way we can customize the password. So in the password, we almost have the same kind of the fields here. You can see here, we have the placeholder, we have the force strong password, and automatically add a confirm password field. And in the last, we also have the confirm password field label. You can see these options here. Okay, So let's just click on the edit email here. So in the email, you can see this, the options are pretty similar, but we also have the privacy option here and the validate option. Okay, so if I just click on the privacy, you will be able to see the 5 different options here. Okay, and we also have the validate email. Okay, so this would actually validate our email whether it is a unique email or not. So if I just click on the value, we have a lot of the different value that we can use to validate our email. All right, and we also have the minimum length and the maximum length for our email field. Okay, in the last we have the visibility as well. Now if I just click on the country here, you will be able to see the field of the country. So in the country, you can see this, we have the edit choices here. So from here we have the list of the countries that we can select as a choice. Okay, so we also have the parent option, we have the choices callback, and we have the privacy, we have the placeholder, we have the help text, we have the default value, and in the last we have the same kind of the options. And in the last you can see this, we can simply make this field a required field just by checking on this. Okay, so let's click here, and in the similar way we can edit the mobile phone field. And if you want to add the new field, you simply click here, and from here as you can see that we can use the predefined fields. But if you don't find any field that matches your requirement, you can simply set up a new field from here by using the text box, telephone box, number, depends on the type of the field that you want to create. All right, so we have created a single form here for the free membership. I can also add up the second form as well along with this, but right now I won't be making the things complicated, so that is why I will stick with single form here for the membership. And if you want to edit this form, you simply click here, and from here you can edit the form. So in the edit raw settings, you can change the background color, you can change the text color, and we have the padding, we have the margin values, we have the border radius, style, and border color. And in the last you can add the additional CSS class if you want to add, and you can also enable the raw heading as well. Okay, so let's close this. Now you can see here that we have the create option here. So if you want to create this form, you simply click on the create, and if you want to use this form, you can use this shortcut, and we can also customize this form as well. And in the last we have the privacy policy. So right now let's click on the create here, and as you can see that our registration form for the membership side is created. So if I just click on the live preview, you will be able to see our form here. So in our form we have the username, password, confirm password, email address, country, and mobile number. And in the last we have the register button, and we also have the login button as well. Alright, so this is how you can create the free membership form to create the free membership site in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.